Welcome back to the channel, guys, and tonight we're going to be painting the Mk2 Escort bonnet in solid black. Now we've got it prepped and ready. It's all panel wiped down and tack ragged. I've had the booth running to get the temperature up. I've just turned it off to do this little intro. We've filled it, primed it, blocked it, primed it, blocked it, primed it, blocked it. So it's been primed 3 times with iBuild and blocked back. It's not perfect, but we've showed the customer where we're at with it, and the customer's happy for us to put the paint on it. It doesn't want to put any more money into it. As you can see, it looks fairly flat with a shine, but there is some imperfections. We're not 100% happy, but it's pretty good. There's a few low spots that could have done with filling, but part of the problem is with this bonnet is it's very thin metal, so as you're trying to block it, you have to block really lightly or it's bending the metal. We're going to get some paint in the gun and get on with it. As you can see, today we're going to be using the DV1 Gambler Edition. It's my favourite gun for base coat. It lays it absolutely beautifully. And then we'll be using the Iwata Series 2 for the Clearcoat.
You know it hurts, saying these words, but nothing now. I cannot get over you. I keep on wanting you always. Never say never do. 'Cause I've been meeting you halfway. Outside is dark, but in my heart I feel alive. I can never take my heart from me. I just wanna share it all with me. Let me tell you something on my mind. Here's what I've been thinking all this time. So good, so good, so good. So good, so good, so good. So good, so good, so good. Together, babe. We could be so good. Together, babe. We could be so good, so good. Together, babe. Love you like I should. Love you like I would. Love you like I could.
So we've finished the bonnet. It's got 3 coats of clear on it. It's not looking too bad at all. There's a few dirt nibs in it that we need to get out tomorrow. But overall, it's not perfect. There's some areas on the bonnet that we would have definitely preferred to do more work on. But the customer had hit his limit with what he wanted to spend on painting the bonnet. We've already had quite a few hours in, quite a few hours glazing the bonnet over, blocking it all back, and then 3 lots of high build primer and blocking back to get it as good as we've got it. It was horrendous. There was a lot of rust on it as well. The Escorts come from South Africa, so it was a lot of sun damage. All the paint had peeled and there was rust underneath. We had to block all that back, grind it all away, rust treat the whole bonnet. But we've got the bonnet looking nice and shiny again. Once it gets back on the car, it's looking good. He is coming back for more bodywork doing at a later date. And what I may do is when we're doing the sides, I may flat off the bonnet again, block it in a few places, get it a little bit better and blow the bonnet back over, in with the job when we do the rest of the work. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.